Today we'll see that how we can fill the form for the New Jersey Institute of Technology for the graduate program. So first click on create an account, then enter the email address, first name and the last name. What happens, some people don't have their last name, so in that case they can put their first name only in place of last name. Then enter your date of birth and click on continue. Now you must have received the temporary PIN on the email address which you have entered. So enter that temporary PIN here and your birth date again and click on login. Now you need to set the password. So your password must contain at least one letter, one capital letter, one number, and it must be of at least 12 characters. Then click on set password, start new application, select the type 2024 and then fall 2024 and then create application and open application. Now personal background information, so choose your prefix, enter your preferred first name, select the country of permanent address, enter the full permanent address. If mailing address is same as permanent, just click on this. Enter the telephone number and always add the number by adding plus sign 1 in the starting. Select the country of your citizenship and then click on continue. Now additional information. So select your sex, marital status, birth country, enter the birth city. Have you served or are you currently serving in the US Armed Forces? So select accordingly. Do you plan to attend NJIT on F1 or J1 visa? Yes. And then click on continue. Now degree. So what is the level? Doctoral. Admission type? New graduate. Student status? Full time. Interested in Doctor of Philosophy in Applied Physics. And then click on continue. Now here you need to add the details of your undergraduation as well as post-graduation. So click on add institute, enter the name of your undergraduation institution, select the degree, month and the year when you have started this program, month and the year when you have completed this, level of study, major of your degree, and click on save. Now again click on add institute, enter the name of your post-graduation institution, select the degree, month and the year when you have started this, month and the year when you have completed it, level of study, major of your degree, and click on save and continue. Now test information. So check the program requirements that whether they require GRE or not. If they require, you need to enter the details. And if they don't require, then you can add the details of any of the English proficiency tests which you have taken. So select the type of the test, test date, enter the total score which you have obtained, and if you have given more than one test, you can add the details and continue. If you have any employment history, you can add the details and continue. Now what or who influenced your decision to apply to NJIT? So you can select accordingly. If you are applying to any other colleges and universities, then you can add the details and then continue. Now recommendations. So check the program requirements that how many recommendations are needed and then you can add accordingly. So click on add recommender. Choose the prefix, enter the first name, last name, organization, position or title, relationship, telephone number, email address, and again choose I waive my right to access this report Always choose this because your reports and the documents should directly send to the university, not to someone else. Then enter your full name and send to recommender. Again, add recommender, choose the prefix, enter the first name, last name, organization, position or title, relationship, telephone number, email address. Then again choose I waive my right to access this report. Then enter your full name and send to recommender. Again add recommender, choose the prefix, enter the first name, last name, organization, position or title, relationship, telephone number, email address. Then again choose I waive my right, enter your full name and send to recommender and then continue. Now, financial support. I want to apply for teaching or research assistantship. Say yes. Do you want to be considered for a proposed doctoral assistantship? No, and then click on continue. Now, click on this checkbox and continue. If you are satisfied with your application, just click on submit application. And now you are done with your application.